Here we go, guys. Here's the 2020 Death Shell. These all brand new. They just came in. We were going down there to the demo and they actually had them in stock, so we're able to pick them up. Brand new for this year. These are the new 2020 Death Shells. Look at the back here. Here's all your description. Try to get it so it's not blurry here. You can read them all. Red Winter Sweet. There's another one that really caught my eye. Time Rain Willow. White Red Glitter Willow. But if you notice, a lot of it's all white strobe. Red Winter Sweet. So I don't know how many of these have that red plum blossom, but these are brand new for this year. And that's all your effects there. Cans are actually labeled, numbers on them. We'll go ahead and throw them here up here on the scale quick. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Oh wow, a little heft to these bad boys. Man. So 2020 Death, expect nothing but the best. Nice fiberglass tubes there. We are going to demo, these are 1 through 6, so we actually demoed 7 through 12, so you're going to see 7 all the way through 12. Right there. No particular order. So, here we go, guys. A lot of you have been waiting to see these, a lot of you have been waiting for them. We've been waiting for them. They got them in. Brand new 2020 Death Shells. Let's check them out.
Those were the 2020 Death Shells. 319 Pyros. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.